Well, hello there, YouTube. There we go. Today is Sunday. What is it? November. I don't even know. Sunday, November 29th? Something like that. Anyway, my kids left. My youngest one went back to San Antonio, and the oldest one with the babies went back to Fate, and I'm going for a ride. Oh, my wife's gonna go get a haircut. It's so nice out now. We had rain Friday and Saturday, and today the Saturday the sun came out in the morning, and then it kind of went away, and then it rained again. So look at all the water sitting around. So kind of nice. Ooh, I might need to get some gloves on. Got my mesh jacket on. I like my neighborhood. It's only got 3 streets. That one, cul-de-sac, cross street, cul-de-sac, and then out. Good. We had so much rain. We got a little bit of water in the creek, but not much. It's not flowing anymore. It actually flowed yesterday. Got fresh deer tracks in my back because it's muddy. So the little deer hooves. I never see them, but they're there. I got a full tank of gas, so don't know where I'm going to go. People must own that house because I've seen that Tundra there before. Bring up my GoPro a little bit more. I don't know where I'm going to go, but it's nice out. I got my warm clothes just in case because it does cool off at night. Oh, I know what I was going to say. They finally blacktopped this road. It used to be a mud road. Then they graveled it. And now they finally blacktopped it. This was not even a passable road before. It was always here, but it was just solid mud. And people got stuck down here all the time, and there's a neighborhood back here, so there's my neighborhood there. It makes sense to have a road here, right? They got 1, 2, 3, 4 new homes on this side of the road. It's like I never come down here before because I always had to go that way, and the roads were pretty bad. Oh, they're working on that one too. This is the same builder for our home, but they did these first, so there's really no fence restrictions. They have privacy fences, and you can't have privacy fences in our neighborhood. You only have to have iron or a chain link if you want chain link. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That one looks like it's almost done. It's for sale, so it is done, but no. Oh, they got a big shop. That house is huge right there. My wife and I walked through that. It's huge. Got to be like 3,000-4,000 square feet. These are they fixed these roads, and they used to be terrible. Now they're much better. There's my neighborhood right there. But then this is, you can kind of see it. You look down the driveways, how did they get to their homes? And then we have found this road here. I don't know if it goes out farther or if it dead ends. Oh, somebody's walking their baby. Ooh, I smell sewage out here. They got septic tanks. There's what I smell. They don't put, you got to put tablets, like not chlorine tablets, but they're sewage tablets, and it keeps that stink away.